drop some science on Scientology, L. Ron Hubbard's weird sci-fi philosophy. They clout theology and top secrecy, technology, mythology, and no apology. 1952 was when it all began, started on a bet by a frustrated man. His books weren't selling, so L. Ron thought fast. He started his own religion and make a lot of cash. Alien rulers, past lives tone scales, copywritten text and scary emails. Shutting up the critics, core battles left and right, mysterious deaths in the middle of the night. Personality tests, e-meters narking on, Times Square recruitment from dusk to dawn. All this from the guy who wrote Battlefield Earth, salvation for a fee, let's see what your soul's worth. There's a place in Florida where you've got friends, we'll help you transcend if you give us those ends.
Party at the Church of Scientology.
Don't call it a cult, you just don't understand. Write us a check and take our hand.
Party at the Church of Scientology.
Actors are a target for their army of elite. They feed their self-esteem and make them feel complete. They mess with their minds, just look at Tom Cruise jumping on the couch during Oprah's interviews. John Travolta fights Thetans in his Florida estate, piloting his plane, Dianetics books on tape. Bet counts past lives in a temple in Bel Air. Katie Holmes stays home and plays pregnant solitaire. Isaac Hayes still pays to reach that upper level state, but left South Park when they hated on his face. Sonny Bono made donations, should have bought better skis. Dougie Fresh recruits haters on the mic as EMCs. Juliette Lewis, Jason Lee and Shaka Khan, because of L. Ron, all their money is gone. Chick Corea, Kirstie Alley and Nancy Cartwright host weekly prayer circles under UFO headlines. Once you step into the temple, your troubles will be gone. We'll get you back on track, everybody sing along.
Party at the Church of Scientology.
Don't listen to the lies, you know they're all untrue, so why not come right down, cause we're waiting for you.
Party at the Church of Scientology.
So that's Scientology, P-S-C-U-D-O, R-E-L-I-G-I, one you've heard, so now you know. They drain your cash fast, so as long as you agree, you can put a price on freedom when it's coming COD. Okay, they ruin lives, and it sounds like science fiction. What about Noah's Ark, Jesus, and the crucifixion? Faith is subjective, you can't say who's right or wrong, though I'll probably end up missing just for writing this song. Hey, did you guys hear that the Easter Bunny's bringing Bigfoot to the meeting tonight?
This was a triumph. I'm making a note here, huge success. It's hard to overstate my satisfaction. Aperture Science. We do what we must because we can. For the good of all of us, except the ones who are dead. But there's no sense crying over every mistake. You just keep on trying till you run out of cake. And the science gets done and you make a neat gun for the people who are still alive. I'm not even angry, I'm being so sincere right now. Even though you broke my heart.
Wir Spartaner sind direkte Nachfahren von Herkules. Wir treten niemals den Rückzug an, geben niemals auf. Es kann für uns auf Erden keine größere Ehre geben, als auf dem Schlachtfeld zu sterben. Spartaner. Die besten Soldaten, die die Welt je gesehen hat.
Jetzt ist alles ruhig. Sie kamen aus der Dunkelheit.
Fürchtet euch! Sparta wird bis auf seine Grundfeste niederbrennen! Die 1000 Nationen des Persischen Reiches werden über euch herfallen!
Du drohst meinem Volk mit Sklaverei und Tod?
Das ist Wahnsinn!
Wahnsinn. Das ist Sparta! Wir werden standhalten und kämpfen! Ein neues Zeitalter hat begonnen. Ein Zeitalter der Freiheit wird kommen. Und alle werden wissen, dass 300 Spartaner es bis zum letzten Atemzug verteidigt haben. Spartaner! Noch heute speisen wir in der Hölle! Schenkt ihnen nichts, aber nehmt ihnen alles, was sie haben! Uns steht eine blutige Nacht bevor.